Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the vocational guidance. In our earlier classes, we have already discussed about educational guidance and the personal guidance. Those who have not gone through those videos, please go to the playlist and you may watch the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will get the new notification of our new videos. So let's start. So as you know that the bread and butter aim is one of the most important aim of educations. That means how an individuals earn money for the bread and butter for their livelihood is one of the important aim of education under employability aim of educations. And due to the advancements of science and technology and the consequent changes in the industries and occupations have been emerged. So as there are changes in the industries and occupations. So new skills and new expertise are required in order to sustain in the industries. And also with the advancement of science and technology and the consequence changes in the or the charges in the industries, the occupation has been immersed in the new areas. New skills, new expertise, new knowledge required to self to become a self-sustaining employee and to maintain your occupations in various industries and occupations. So there are thousands of specialized job and occupations. In this context, there are great need of vocational guidance. And you know that few jobs and few occupations are generalized and few are very specialized. So whether it is specialized job or we can discuss about any generalized job, each and every job pose some challenges and face some challenges. And in such cases or in such situations, there is a great need of the vocational guidance. So what vocational guidance is? The vocational guidance is a process of assisting the individual to choose an occupation, prepare for it, enter upon it and progress on it. Vocational guidance start from choosing an appropriate job based on your skills, expertise and your inspirations and your interest of occupations. So vocational guidance helps an individuals to choose an appropriate occupations of your interest area based on your inspiration, based on your career objectives, and not only choosing the job but also prepare for it. You may have prepared for it, you may acquire some knowledge, skills and attitudes, cultivate good attitudes and enter upon it. Prepare appropriately so that you can enter into the job and do a progressive achievement in that job. So it is concerns primarily with helping the individuals to make decisions and choice involved in planning a futures and building a career. So planning for the futures and buildings of the career is one of the important aspects of your vocational guidance. So the purpose behind the assisting the youth to choose, prepare and enter and the progress in vocational guidance is optimum growth of individuals. Optimum growth of individuals in the career ladder. So when vocational guidance is providing to an individuals, the person is able to choose an appropriate job, do appropriate preparedness and also enter into a more suitable job based on his skills and expertise and perform better to be self-sustaining in that occupation. So this is about vocational guidance. What are the various aim and objective of vocational guidance? Let's discuss one by one. So, assisting the people to discover his or her own ability and skill to fit them into the general requirement of the occupations under the considerations. So, it helps an individual to discover, to identify, to recognize the ability and skill set required for a job based on the job requirement. So, according to the requirement of the occupations, it helps an individual to identify his ability and skill sets so that this individual is able to know whether he is best fit for that job or not. So vocational guidance is helping an individuals to identify your own skills and ability. The second one is to develop an attitude toward work that will dignify whatever type of occupations he or she may wish to enter. And most important thing is that it helps to develop the positive attitude towards any type of job and to lead a dignified life, to give dignity and respect to your occupations, to your job. Many of us sometimes we are frustrated for our career and for our job, but career guidance or the vocational guidance helps an individuals to give respect to your own occupations, have a favorable and positive attitude towards your job. The third one is individual to think critically about various types of occupations and to learn the technique for analyzing information about the vocation. As you know that there are complications in selecting an appropriate job or most suitable job. So vocational guidance helps an individuals to critically think, examine is a more logical way to about various type of job. For a particular students or an individual, there may be 4 or 5 options or maybe more than 10 options. So it is the responsibility, it is the aim of the vocational guidance to critically analyze each and every job and learn how to analyze them and get appropriate informations about the job requirement, about the job profile, the key result area, the salary structure, working environment, the evaluation process, career path, and so on. So that helps an individuals to identify those area very uh, in a most objective way. Another objective is to secure relevant informations about facilities offered by various educational institutions engaging in vocational training, and also get relevant information about various training or educational institutions who are providing vocational trainings to individual or the students. In this background, what are the various vocational guidance programs that are required at various stages of education? So at the elementary education level or elementary stage, although no formal guidance program are needed, the orientations to vocations can be initiated at this stage. So according, if we consider the vocational education or vocational guidance at elementary stage, so there is no formal guidance program is required at this stage, but definitely it helps to orient the individuals on various occupations that are available for an individuals at the initial stage. At this stage, some qualities and skills which have greater vocational significance, that is love, respect, and for manual work, so that the students can give respect to the manual work on skill level. Any type of job, they should have a love and respect. There should not be any disrespects toward any job, and we can say that various occupation. Then training in use of hand, then spirit of cooperative work, sharing, appreciations for all work, and good interpersonal relationship are to be developed. So most common characteristic and common qualities need to be developed at this stage, like the cooperative work, give respect to the manual work, appreciation for all, interpersonal relationship in any type of work, and also use of hand and your of psychomotors, we can say that the motor skill of an individual. And in the secondary stage, the vocational guidance should help an individual to know themselves, to know the world of work, and develop employment readiness to develop decision making rules. And at the secondary stage, it must helps the students to know themselves. To know themselves means to know your knowledge and to know your skills and ability, and how these skills and abilities are best fit in the market that is required, and that helps an individual. Vocational guidance helps an individual to know that, and to know the world of work means what are the career opportunities are available within your scope of work, within your scope of uh, eligibility criteria, and to develop employment readiness so that you can ready for any type of job and to have a very critical decisions on your career path. So secondary stage helps to know that. And the higher education's higher stages, it should help to more formal one, but mostly the vocational guidance is more appropriate for the higher stage or the higher education, because the objective of guidance at this stage is to help the individual to get information about various career, the training facility, and the apprenticeship. So mostly the vocational guidance program is more helpful for the higher stages, but uh, after the introductions of the new education policy, definitely it will start from class 6. So elementary level, the vocational guidance program will be now more formal, starting from the elementary level or the at the from the class 6. So this is the all about uh, the vocational guidance program. And if you like the videos, please like the videos and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.